Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the 10th generation Honda Civic Touring. Our car has 90,000 miles on it, and we're about to change the PCV valve, and this should be changed every 60,000 miles. So I'm expecting ours to be pretty gunked up, and hopefully it'll help us with improved gas mileage, since ours is a little bit on the low side at around 30 mpg mixed driving. The PCV valve is behind the engine, right back there. It's the yellow piece. So that is what we're going to be changing today. This is for the 1.5 liter engine with the turbo. It's a yellow one. And the 2 liter engine is a red PCV valve with a different part number. These are the tools you'll need: a 10mm box wrench and some pliers. That's it. Squeeze the tabs from the back and then pull up. And when you do that, you'll be able to get this wiring out. So right here, you're just squeezing these tabs right here from underneath with some pliers, and just pull straight out. Now we have a little more room to get to that 10mm bolt that's holding the PCV valve in place. And you can see ours is really gunked up. You can tell that a PCV valve is faulty if you shake it and there's no noise. And I don't hear anything on this. It's definitely not working anymore. This is what a newer one sounds like. You could clean these ones if you wanted to save money, but it's not going to last as long as buying a newer one, and they're very inexpensive anyway as it is, so I recommend just changing it to a newer one. But if you wanted to clean yours, use MAF sensor cleaner and thoroughly clean it out, and you might be able to get it working again. We're going to be changing it with a new one today. Hand tight and then a quarter turn. Go ahead and then start the engine like I just did and check for leaks. No leaks, so we're in good hands here. The car should be able to perform much better now in terms of MPG. I will update you guys if there's an increase. Hopefully there is, because gas is really expensive nowadays. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good afternoon.